Salutations to fellow South Africans, and people of the world. Comrade Ramaphosa, I want to reassure you that today we are in a burial of Mama Winnie Madikizela Mandela. And President Matamela, you are her president. And today here, anyone who shows you disrespect will be showing Mama disrespect, because you are the president of her organization and the president of this country. So be rest assured, Comrade President, that even the Red Sea is going to cheer in salutation. Program directors, I'm here to speak on behalf of the economic freedom fighters, the daughters and sons of Mama Nomzamo Madikizela Mandela.